Good evening, I'm David, and here are the latest updates from the ongoing crisis in the Middle East. In a distressing turn of events, the conflict has taken a devastating toll on the Palestinian territories. Since October 7, Israeli attacks have resulted in the tragic loss of at least 10,022 lives in Gaza, with an additional 152 casualties in the occupied West Bank. Adding to the dire situation, a recent Israeli air attack inflicted damage on the solar panel roof of Gaza's largest hospital, pushing medical services across the Strip to the brink of collapse. The relentless bombardment continues to exacerbate the humanitarian crisis. Amidst these grim circumstances, 18 prominent union and humanitarian organizations have come together to issue a joint statement, urgently calling for an immediate humanitarian ceasefire to alleviate the suffering of the affected population. On a positive note, Jordan has demonstrated its commitment to assisting in this crisis. Their Air Force successfully parachuted urgent medical aid to the Jordanian field hospital in Gaza. This timely aid can potentially make a significant difference in the provision of medical care. Gaza's Hamas-run health ministry has reported a staggering death toll, with 10,022 individuals losing their lives in the territory over the course of the past month, since the conflict began. Israel's military, on the other hand, has intensified its bombardment of Gaza, with one of the heaviest attacks occurring overnight. The director of Gaza City's Al-Shifa hospital disclosed that these strikes resulted in approximately 200 casualties. The dire situation is underscored by the challenges faced by those in need of medical attention. Due to communication outages, people were left unable to reach ambulance services, leading to casualties being transported to the hospital on carts carried by donkeys. In a significant military development, the Israeli military reported taking control of a Hamas outpost in Gaza, effectively dividing the Strip in two. The situation continues to evolve rapidly. Israel's military says it is now advancing toward Gaza City after its forces cut the enclave into two by reaching the Mediterranean coast. Israel said it opened a 4-hour evacuation window for civilians Sunday, while officials say the flight of displaced residents to southern Gaza has deepened the humanitarian crisis. Meanwhile, all major UN agencies have issued a rare joint statement, making a resounding call for a humanitarian ceasefire. The unified message from the international community underscores the urgency of the situation and the need for an immediate cessation of hostilities. Our hearts go out to all those affected by this ongoing crisis, and we'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they unfold. Thank you for joining us on TMCN.